Now let's take a look at a much more fun server that I've built, that is the recipe server. Basically here all you have to do is maybe type in any ingredients that you have or anything that's left over in your fridge and you want to make something out of that. So this server handles that and could give you recipe summary, entire recipes, or even generate a 7-day meal plan for like for with proper nutrients and calories given. So yeah, let's try it out. I want to make something with chicken, but it should be spicy. Okay, so it found these recipes. Now let's imagine that I want to make this creamy white chili and salsa, this one. Compare them. Okay, so as you can see, it compared the two recipes for me, and if I want, I can just read this summary and understand. For example, I want to just go with this, then I can just say fine, get me recipe, and this is the entire recipe that you will need to perform to make that. Now let's also see how I can generate a meal plan. Generate a meal plan, but I am on a diet. Let's have a target of like 500. I don't know. What's the average? Let's just ask it, right? Average range. Okay, so let's keep it 1500 calories. Okay, let's go with 1500 calories. And boom, as you can see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it gives like 3 meals and the timing and also how many people it can serve, so you can cook accordingly.